Hello everyone and welcome to Candy Review. Today we're looking at Buncha Crunch. Bunches of crunchy milk chocolate. Popcorn's favorite sidekick. Oh, that makes sense, yeah. Pouring this in a bucket of popcorn would be a pretty tasty combination. Let's get these open though and try them out. All right, these look pretty tasty. I'm going to start with the biggest one. Oh yeah, it's just like a Crunch bar, but in a more freeform little bunches of crunches. It's good. It's like Rice Krispie treats on the inside, pretty much. These are good. Yeah, I bet if you poured these into popcorn, they'd melt in between them and you get these nice big handfuls of popcorn and chocolate and the Buncha Crunch. These are delicious. I'd have no problem sitting down and eating this whole box of Buncha Crunch. Like and subscribe below, everybody. Go buy a box of Buncha Crunch. Maybe 10 boxes today. And as always, happy candying, everybody.